We are here today as the State Department of Irrigation to validate our plan of ensuring this country is going to have zero imports by 2032. Currently, we are importing we are producing 234 metric tons, and we're importing 700,000 metric tons. But we have a plan to ensure by 2027 we have an additional, we bring the rice production to 440,000 metric tons, and by 2032 we bring the rice production to actually 1.1 metric tons.
We have also addressed issues to do with rice in terms of production, in terms of volumes, to reduce on importation of rice, which currently we are importing 80% of our rice.
We don't have enough machinery to add value to it, and that's why you find sometimes, like for maize, post-harvest losses can be as high as 40%. But if you are able to add value, then you will be able to reduce that post-harvest loss. But also, if you add value, you'll be able to sell when you want. It's because then you have increased the shelf life of that produce.